Hey, man, the fuck you mean you ain't heard no fucking
I put some bands in it, that's investments. While your bitch think she needs some breakfast. Hop on drinking, need refreshments. To my ring, blink, blink, ring, blink, yeah. Sipping on the Henny, got me thinking way too much of you. Gotta switch the train of thought, so what you think about the blue? Double up my place, a double step, like what's the next move, yo? Now how you move? Now watch me move. Big chain, big diamonds, might just have to cut. Got a fat ass that I'm asking her to kindly drop. Might be bad for that, but she said she ain't trying to get caught. So I'm moving to the next couple ladies trying to fight. Themselves got my nerve, I might just squeeze. Let's go. Where you get your cheese? Are you Swiss? Let me put up on your bitch, I need a little kiss. Why these labels hating on me just like I'm Chris? Going on a date with your mom, are you pissed? Let me two-step to the bag, watch my pain say while you blame it on the late little beat. How you move, huh? Now watch me move. I put some bands in it, let's investments. While your bitch think she needs some breakfast. Hop on drinking, need refreshments. To my ring, blink, blink, ring, blink, yeah. Sipping on the Henny, got me thinking way too much of you. Gotta switch the train of thought, so what we think about the two? Double up my place, a double set, that was the next move, yo. Now how you move? Now watch me move. Big, quick, double jump, I'm running fast, I need new shoes. Fit, cool, clothes, every looks really cool. New thought, nice, no, I'm sorry that she caught a screw. Red dot, nerve guns, by my sweat, you weren't fool. Who the fuck are you? Turn a couple to a few. Put my fertilizer on my money, then of course it grew. Pulled up on your mom just for a little bit of food, and then she threw me in her room. Wait, what? Sorry that I'm rude. Baby, yes, I love some fixes. Now the wheels and strut the stress. 6 years, I'm Rumble 6, they either get you under stress. Stress, bang, bang, beat. How you move, huh? Now watch me move. I put some bands in it.